I really dig the size of this room, and just the.
It would be nice for our family of 4 to stay in a room this size.
Exactly. You could bring a family of 4 and not feel cramped on top of each other.
Sweet.
Alright guys, we're here at the Grand California again, and this time we're staying DVC, so we have a 1-bedroom villa. This is our room number currently. Let me come on in. Look,
Hi guys.
it's Beth.
Okay, so first whenever you walk into the 1-bedroom villa, on the left-hand side there is one closet, and it has pillow, blankets, and laundry basket, iron and ironing board, extra linens for the fold-out beds. On the right-hand side, there's a closet with cleaning supplies.
Yeah, so if you didn't know, DVC, you know, they don't really provide maid service every day, so you have to pretty much, if you make a mess, clean up after yourself.
The living room area has the fold-out sofa, chairs at the bar, the fold-down bed, and the very large TV.
Yeah, they're keeping the TV massive here. Look at this, is like impressive, but this window though, this is like out of the living room. It's just like, look at how big this is. It's like a picture window basically. We're overlooking the pool, which is okay because we kind of have a private view with the trees blocking us a little bit. So there is a deck entrance right here.
Yeah, there's a door to the balcony from here. So there's the seating for the bar. There's like tons of seating at the table and the bench. You could easily seat 8 people here. A nice big island, a dishwasher, dish drainer, paper towels, extra trash bags, measuring cups, pitchers, coffee maker.
Ooh, wine glasses. Fancy.
Full cups.
Right
There's all the plates and bowls. We have a toaster, a full oven, a microwave.
Some
serving.
Dishes. That's impressive.
Cutting board, dish towels, pot holders, a full refrigerator with freezer, an ice cube tray.
That is nice.
And definitely plenty of room in the fridge.
Yes. The island even has storage on it, really. Like there's drawers and such in the island. Ooh, silverware's in here.
Looks like casserole dishes,
wow.
glass dishes.
So, as you know, DVC, this is like your home, right? So, they want you to have all the amenities of your home, so.
Looks like, ooh, knives, cheese grater, a vegetable peeler, can opener, measuring spoons. Here is the first bathroom. It has a shower and a potty and a sink.
Oh, look at all that H2O goodness. So this is, you know, to help you out for the guests that are staying in this side of the, like your kids or whatever, or, you know, other adults. But it's nice to have like a second bathroom here. So like it helps getting showered and ready, makes it easier.
The washer dryer.
So this is the difference for the 1-bedroom versus the studio, right? It has a washer and dryer attached.
Yeah, 1-bedroom and a 2-bedroom or anything above a 1-bedroom has the washer and dryer in it.
Right.
And it does have some laundry soap. Here's the master bedroom area.
We'll show the
First
goodies.
difference is the huge bathroom, a nice big jetted soaking tub that you can have a view outside if you choose, or you can close the door for privacy.
Look, it's got a Pinocchio and Jiminy Cricket up here on the wallpaper.
A nice large vanity.
This is huge.
A stool for kiddos.
Little step stool for the kiddos. Some more H2O goodness. These lights are cool too on either side of the mirror. The shower is absolutely huge.
I would say a nice huge shower with a bench in it. This shower seems somewhat comparable to the size of a normal hotel room shower.
Yeah.
Here.
The only thing different I think is it doesn't have the rain shower. But yeah, I'm okay with that.
Let's see, the potty room.
Which is also a decent size too, and it has a door that closes.
It actually has a real door on it versus the hotel rooms have the sliders.
Yeah, so that's a little bit more private.
And then into the bedroom, another closet.
With those sweet Grand Californian robes.
And then into the master bedroom, nice huge bed.
Yeah, this is a king-size bed for sure. It has the storage underneath as well, so you can like put your luggage under here, you know, or at least a couple pieces of luggage under there.
A stool to sit on, a nice huge TV again.
Yeah.
Lots of storage space.
Little hookies up here to hang things on, like coats.
A nice desk with lots of outlets. Nice bedside tables with lots of storage. And then you've also got the balcony door.
You know, this is over here is the living room, and then this is the balcony from the bedroom. Still overlooking the pool, but again, it feels private because we have the trees. You still can see, you know, like over here, there's balconies and such, so you'll still see your neighbors on their balconies, but I really dig the size of this room, and just
It would be nice for our family of 4 to stay in a room this size.
Exactly. You could bring a family of 4 and not feel cramped on top of each other. So I think that's all the room tour. We might do a little bit more around the hotel for you guys, just to show, like, because it's Halloween time now, so they have like a cake and stuff in the lobby. So we'll show you bits and pieces of that too. All right, guys, we're going to continue our hotel tour. Just a brief little hotel tour. You know, if you want to see the link to the full tour, Keith will go ahead and link it up here. But for now, we're just going to show you like the lobby. Basically, we'll walk down to the lobby and show you guys what that looks like, because it's got a special surprise. I don't know. We'll have to go check it out. Okay, so as you can see, looks pretty much similar to where we were before. So let's quick look at the elevators. They have this nice like picture thing over here. Bureau. This window kind of overlooks the pool. It's pretty nice.
And this is the entrance for the DVC area, I believe.
Yep. Pool's right over here. There's a fitness center.
Ew, you wouldn't want that.
Yeah. Well, for those healthy people. Fitness center right here. Can't really see in too well. Yeah. If you're really professional, though, the fitness center is like running around the park for you. It is kind of nice. They have like park hours posted here right before the entrance. You have some signage telling you that you need to be over here for the Disney or the Oogie Boogie Bash. And the star of the lobby, Oogie Boogie. Wow, 13 hidden Mickeys. That's impressive. Like the whole thing is just crazy. 380 eggs. Okay. Can we see any hidden Mickeys that are easily accessible? Oh wait, there's one on the dice. Maybe we can see it right on this dice.
I think there's one on that rock on the bottom.
Oh yeah. And then right here, another one. Pretty cool. This is just a cake. The pumpkin with the spider on it's cool too. Trying to see some more hidden Mickeys.
Of course.
Let's roam around the back and see if we can see any. So, as with everything Disney, they don't skip even on the back side. It's still very decorated over here too.
Oh, I found one.
Oh, where?
The candy above the green worm. There's a piece of candy with a Mickey on it.
Oh yeah, right here. Another hidden Mickey. Right here-ish. They kind of have it like stage lit, so like this bright green light is kind of lighting Oogie Boogie up from the front, so that's cool. Alright guys, well I hope you liked that brief tour of the Grand Californian Hotel here in Disneyland in California. So I'm going to go ahead and throw it over to Beth for her thoughts on the hotel and maybe this room in general.
I definitely like the Grand Californian Hotel. The location couldn't be any better. The fact that we can easily walk right into DCA with park tickets from the resort, and it's really easy to get into downtown Disney to access Disneyland very easily. So location is prime here. And you definitely pay for that prime location too.
Yes.
The room. Oh my goodness. A 1-bedroom villa is amazing. Definitely easily room for our family of 4. Love having access to the washer and dryer. It also, the second bathroom's nice. It would be really great for our teenagers if we brought them with us. It's great. It's definitely expensive, but it is very nice.
Yeah, so I definitely agree with Beth. I love the convenience of the parks being right there and there. Anyway, but that's pretty good. The resort in and of itself, very manageable. You know, we didn't get to choose our view with the DVC. I don't think you do. So it was okay. The pool view is fine. I do like the size of the windows in the room, and I like the size of the balcony. It would be nice if it was a little bit more secluded, you know, for, you know, hanging out on, I guess. I'm not really big into staring at my neighbors across the way or over there. You know, as far as the room in general, I do think that the washer and dryer is so nice. It's like, you know, one of those things that like you don't think about, but like it really helps out like on a vacation, especially if you're here with like your whole family. You could pack less and just do laundry during the stay, and then, you know, you've solved like a weight issue, so you can take more souvenirs home, probably. So anyway, love this hotel. We're definitely going to be back. I don't know about DVC, but it was a good option, and we may try this again too, especially if we bring the kids. We'll definitely be trying this. So overall, definitely a thumbs up again from us. I mean, we haven't given anything a thumbs down yet, so we must be easy critics or something. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and wrap this up here. If you guys like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you're new here or you want to become part of the family, or Ohana, sorry, we're not in Hawaii anymore, so go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's over here-ish somewhere. We also have t-shirts, so you can support the channel that way, and Patreon account. All the links will be in the description below. So again, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace and love.